Hello and welcome to Records Rebuilds. Today we're going to be talking about replacing the fuse box because when my car was wrecked recently, this was broken. So the only way to get another one of those is to replace the fuse box, which is definitely overkill because it's like $100, but I don't want that broken part in there. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So the first thing that we're going to do is pull these little guards up. There's a little tab right down here that you're going to push up this way. And likewise, another one down here. And then there's two more down here. One here and one down there. And that's going to allow you to get your fuse box loose here. But we've still got our positive terminals over here. So we've got to get those guys off. That is a 13mm bolt. So I'm going to go grab the socket. So we're going to unbolt our positive terminal here. And once we get that out of the way, you can also release this over here. It'll just give you a little more freedom with that hose there. So once we get that out of the way, you just put these all the way to the middle like this. And then we'll get our fuse box out of here. Normally those wouldn't come off, but it's broken, you know, so what we've got down here is essentially the head of all of the wiring harnesses. Each one of these goes to a different wiring harness that goes to a different place in the car. I believe this one right here is the one for the whole front of the car and headlights and everything up there. So yeah, but our new fuse box is just going to go right on top of that. Alright, so we're going to check the orientation because we know this stud goes on the back here. And then we'll be able to just slide it in here. Once we get these guys out of the way, and you can see you just kind of jiggle it until you get it to fit in there the right way. Don't want one side to go in farther than the other. And now we've got it. And we're going to put these on here first. We can cinch it down at this end here. We're going to put our nut on our positive terminals over here. Do not put very much torque into this. I did that with the old fuse box when I was taking it out, and it did a pretty good job of bending the terminal in there. It's not very strong. So, you know, you want to put a decent amount of energy into it, but that's about it right there. That goes back over there. And this goes the rest of the way down, and we should be good to go. One last thing I forgot to mention. When you buy a fuse box from GM, I didn't know this, but I couldn't believe it. It comes with all the fuses and all the modules already installed in it. So that's pretty awesome. So, yeah, until next time, thank you guys very much for watching.